those that are wondering what a first cloud strategy is, could you just elaborate a little bit more on that?
Yeah, so this is about understanding what I call the technical debt. Where am I now? What have I got in terms of tech? And what am I looking to serve in terms of clients, in terms of a future technology landscape? And where does technology become the enabler in that? So not something that's nice and shiny and new, but something that is actually going to make a difference. Bottom line, I always talk about it as bottom line P&L. A cloud first strategy is to unlock that, but you have to understand first what technical debt are you carrying, and it's that technical debt that those companies are struggling with that you've mentioned, because with that you always got a vulnerability. But the vulnerability I talked about most here was people, not from an intentional point of view, but from the fact that people are the weak link in the chain. But often technology, because of the debt of technology you've been carrying for years, that is not sat in a cloud first strategy, addresses that technical debt and looks at how it's going to remove it. But most people don't have that. They're carrying a technical debt and they're doing an innovation on cloud. That's not the same thing.